a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Kenzac take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl.
Hi Barbs, it's Kenny here. I'm back today, you guys. And I know it's been a little bit, but bear with me on this one. I'm going to show y'all how I install my wig so natural, so flawless. Like, everyone asks me, Kenny, how do you get your wig super flat? Baby, I'm gonna show you in this video, in this tutorial today. So I've missed you guys, and I want to do like a get to know me sort of tag, because I realize that I don't expose a lot of what I do. Like, it's mostly on my social media opposed to like YouTube. So leave some questions below that you all want me to answer, because I cannot wait to do that. But I have this hair from MSHERE, and we have done a collab before. So you guys, without further ado, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, you guys, comment, and of course subscribe, and I will see you guys. Hey Barbs, so today I'll be using the EBIN New York Forever Ultimate Glue Lace holding glue. I found these at my local beauty supply store, and I definitely wanted to try these out. I mean, it says one is ultra super up to 2 weeks, and one is up to 3 weeks. It's the ultra mega, and I'm sorry, the extra mega and the ultra super. So I'll be going with the ultra super because, you know, up to 2 weeks. I'll probably wear it for about 1 week, wash it of course, and then reapply, just because I like for my hair to look fresh, you know, just a little fresh. So I'm gonna try the 2 weeks, and then maybe I will try the 3 weeks and see how that is on my next install. But I was super excited to try these. Like I said, I saw them and they were new to me, so I'm going to let y'all know how I work out. So again, let me stop rambling and we're gonna get right into it.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you.
Okay, Barb, so the tabs came down a little bit too long. I made them a tad bit too long, but I do that because I never want to make them too short. Remember, it's like hair. Like, if you cut it too short, it's no putting it back on. So once you cut this lace and it's too short, you're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a few more baby hairs.
Flying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
I got that. So now I'm just gonna pin up the lace. This lace is a little too dark, and this is I would say that's my only thing with the lace. The lace is soft, which I'm really happy about. It did not come with a natural hairline, y'all. I had to pluck the heck out of this hairline, and I still didn't get it where I really wanted it. But I don't like to put them too thin because it doesn't give you much wear and tear of the wig, and then you're gonna look up and you're balding in some areas when it really wasn't necessary. So as to why I don't pluck like crazy, but this one you really did have to work with. So I'm gonna go in with this Forever Ultimate Glue, and it says clean application area. Squeeze the product onto a small brush, apply around the hairline, let set until tacky, apply second layer of product, apply lace wig and lace wig closure, press down slightly on the wig, securing it into place. So it doesn't say to use your finger, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get like a popsicle stick real quick, and I'm going to use that to apply it. I typically like to use my finger because I feel like I get a smoother and more even application, but it's not saying that, so I am just gonna try it per the instructions, because I always believe in just working with the instructions first, and then if you find out that that doesn't suit you, then move on to something else. But I definitely wanted to try this way first. So let me get those things and I will be right back. So I have my alcohol here and a little cotton ball, and I am just going to go along the perimeter that I plan on adding the glue to. And I did have makeup on that, so now that I have that done, I'm gonna go in with my popsicle stick and just apply it to these areas. Y'all, I wasn't expecting to do 2 coats. I thought 1 coat was gonna do, but we gonna see, honey. Now, if I was using like Bold Hold or Ghost Bond or something of that sort, I probably would have traced it to make sure that I get just a flawless application. But for this, I just kind of want to see how this works before I put all that time and effort in it. Don't work out. I like to stay positive, but Lord knows I'm not gonna waste my time, honey. So I'm gonna let this dry as it said, let it sit, and then I'm gonna come back with a second coat. Okay, y'all, so it's tacky, so we're gonna go ahead and lay it down. This, y'all, this glue is definitely thicker than got to be. It's like, I wouldn't consider this like a real lace adhesive. Yeah, I wouldn't consider this a real lace adhesive, but it is definitely, in my opinion, stronger than the got to be. But we will see how the hold is, but it's definitely thicker. The consistency is tackier than the got to be.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I...
My first impressions of this urban or EBIN lace glue, it is okay. And what I mean by that is this stuff flakes so badly if you're trying to move anything, and I've never quite had that happen before. So or I've had it happen before, but I just stopped using the product. So this one is not a bad product because it does give you a good hold. Is it better than Got To Be? I would say it's personal preference, but that was only flaking when I was trying to like set my baby hairs and such, so I wasn't super happy that it was flaking, because then I had to go, like right now I'm just trying to do some cleanup and it's like it's still flaking off. So yeah, but no big deal, it's on. So all I did was refresh the curls with some water and voila. So I do like this hair. Like I said before, or if I didn't mention before, we have worked together before and I did love their hair. I really am happy with this install. I did have to do some work with this hairline, y'all, because it wasn't as natural as I would have liked. The lace seems to be blending in pretty well once I put my foundation on. And this one is, I believe this is a 16-inch frontal with 20, 22, 24 bundles, and it comes down a little past the top of my butt, so it's definitely long hair. But I love this hair. I think it's super pretty. I will be straightening this hair. I just wanted to show you all in the natural state what this hair looked like. But it's definitely giving me that summer, you know, Brazilian girl, you know, vibes. So I absolutely love this hair, as I stated before. So if you all have any questions or comments, just go ahead and leave them below. I will put all of the products that I used in this description bar because it was quite a few. So I will let you all know what products. And like I said, just let me know if you all have any questions, or if you all have tried this EBIN New York Forever Ultimate Glue. So just let me know, yes or no, in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video, like, you know, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the